Wow, look at what you did. You made colored boulders. You're using your backhoe to put it into the dump truck. Wow, that's good creativity, huh? Yeah, and look at your hat, your baseball cap. It's a Star Wars baseball cap. Nice. Wow, look at you. You're scooping the boulder. A green boulder? Good job, Jace. Good job playing with your Play-Doh and your Caterpillar construction equipment. Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Look here, bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Look here. Look here, look at the camera. Okay, never mind. Just say bye-bye. Just say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Babu.
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 Enjoy. Oops.
Yeah. Guys. Yeah. What?
Your dump truck fell.